Hey everyone, if you want to know more about this beautiful overlooking mountain resort in northern Cebu, then please continue watching because I will cover everything you need to know, such as the room rates, our room tour, how to get here, the resort's policies, and of course, the food. If you are coming from Cebu City, you can ride any public transpo headed north and simply ask the driver or conductor to drop you off at Esquina Yati. Then from there, you can ride a motorcycle to Ibabaw Mountain Resort. The motorcycle fare is 80 pesos. However, if you are taking a private vehicle, you can just follow the resort stops along the road, or you can use Google Map like we did. The resort is located in Santa Cruz, Liloan, which is just 8 to 10 minutes away from our home, which is why we decided to take our motorcycle. Since we are still in the COVID-19 era, a face mask is still required to enter the resort. Be sure to book your room in advance through their Facebook page. I'll include the link on the description below. 50% down payment is required to confirm your booking. Check-in time is 12 noon and check-out will be 10 a.m.
It's not deep.
The resort has a restaurant with an overlooking view of the city. Also, outside food and drinks are not allowed, except for chips, water, and cakes.
No, not a room. May clean pa nilang room. Are you excited to swim?
Yes, my birthday.
Time to check out our room. So we got the Bahay Kubo for 2,500 pesos. So this room is good for 4 persons but can accommodate up to a maximum of 6. However, you have to pay for the excess persons. The room is actually spacious. So there's a fan and a fridge. There's a water heater on top and complimentary coffee. Now let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so the bathroom is clean. There's windows right here. The shower, it's not hot and cold, but it's okay. We have some tissue rolls right here and a trash bin. There's no free soap or shampoo, but there is free toothbrush and toothpaste. Overall, I think the room is really cute and chill, although I'm worried about the mosquitoes because it's too open. Now let's check out the terrace. So there's a little coffee table right here. And you get a very nice view of the pool, so you can easily watch your kids. I'm just gonna buy something to drink. But they actually have a lot of food options here, and they even have milk tea. Swim! Nice.
Okay, I'm just gonna be right here.
Much later.
It's time for dinner, and our food is already ready because we pre-ordered this at 5 p.m. We ordered their food bundle, which consists of tinolang manok, sihon, pork belly, murag na kuwang. Okay, so the sizzling sisig is here, so everything is complete. Let's eat!
A few moments later.
Babad pa ka?
Dili na, kapoy kay Iris.
Hi, doggy!
Cute ni mo. Uy.
Maybe you can swim like that.
The next morning.
find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
So I'll probably end my vlog here, but thank you so much for watching up till the end. I'll be posting more information about the resort on the description below. Thank you.